Hello and welcome to Total Television, coming to you from the FTTH Council Europe event in Lisbon. I'm here talking to Bjorn Claassen, who is the Chief Operating Officer of Keymile. Bjorn, tell us about Keymile and the markets that you operate in.
Yeah, good morning, Brian. So Keymile is a supplier for FTTH and NGN multi-service access node, and with these access nodes or service platforms, we are operating the whole variety of services for our customer, mainly carriers, from gigabit Ethernet on the point-to-point Ethernet, or up down to, by example, a legacy service like POTS and ISDN, out of one box. Beside that, we are also operating networks for power utilities or railways with very mission-critical service demands from this customer perspective. So this is a variety of service we are looking for, from very, very small bandwidth services up to gigabit Ethernet for consumer and on FTTH.
So you're very much at the heart of the FTTH revolution that's happening at the moment.
Yes, we have some customers, mainly in Europe and Brazil, where we are operating right now the first the rollouts on pure Ethernet point-to-point technologies, and we are very proud that we have also here on our booth some showcase where we can show also afterwards our visitors here in this conference the new applications.
And how do you see FTTH evolving?
FTTH is evolving from our perspective very rapidly if you look what happens in the past, but on the other hand also because of the huge amount of money you have to invest from the carrier perspective, for sure it can be faster, but at the end we did first steps, and for sure especially in countries where emerging countries like South America, where also the copper quality is not as good, then it's even better to deploy a fiber network than to replace copper by copper.
Yes, of course. And I understand that you have a new product that you're actually launching here.
Yeah, what we have here in our showcase is that we can show our visitors new technologies on gigabit Ethernet, but it's not just a gigabit Ethernet connection out of the multi-service access platform. It's also including WDM module, which allows the carrier to integrate and to transmit on the same fiber a cable TV overlay signal. So this means that they can use for their TV applications the cable TV signal, which you can buy very easily, and then to introduce that also to the customers all linear channels, so hundreds of channels you can transmit in parallel to the IP or voice traffic.
So this is brilliant news for cable TV operators and really any operators looking to bring TV.
Yes, it's much easier than to introduce a huge IPTV platform, and it's much more cost effective than that. So from this perspective, we see there are big chances for us with this new technology to get into the market.
Well, we'll look forward to hearing about more successes from Keymile, and thanks very much for talking to us.
Thank you.